This is how to play, how to improvise while adding the non-pentatonic scale, which is Fa and T. You know, all through the levels we've been playing, we've been omitting them, but you can add them if you've been following the previous. In a particular previous level, I told you that you can only play Fa when you're on a Fa chord, and you can only play T when you're on a Sol chord. That is fine. But then, if you are not going to stay long on, if you're not okay, you do that when you're going to stay long. Like if you are playing fast, you can afford to play Fa on other chords. For example, let me improvise. Doesn't sound well because I stayed long there. But if you are not staying long, watch. Hold on. Sorry. I will get it. So because I didn't stay long there, it didn't really matter much. If you pay attention to the first song I played at the beginning, I did something like this. I just pressed T, but because I didn't stay long on it, it did not spoil my song. Although on a normal day, T doesn't go with Fa, doesn't sound. But then because I didn't stay like, I passed through it, right? It sounded well. Then I used Fa, but it sounded good. Do, re, mi, do, ti, la, 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 sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, ti, la, la. I use Fa, I use T, but see, if you are passing through them and not delaying on them, they work. That's what this lesson is about, knowing that T and Fa works well when you're not staying there for too long. See you in the next level.